what's in the box. This is exciting. Fresh off the boat or off the airplane, I should say, from Sri Lanka. That's something, isn't it? Wow. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. So this is a really big deal for us. We are officially sail designers, and this is our first delivery, our first official delivery as our own sail design company. And we're working with one of the top manufacturers in the world, one of the top sail lofts in the world, who only work with many of the top designers in the world. So frankly, we're not worthy, but we've developed this relationship, and it's super exciting to take our first formal delivery of a sail designed under our brand, Blue Yonder Sails. And we're really excited to share with you what makes this company, our sails in particular, really unique in the marketplace. What's really cool about being a so-called mom and pop shop is that we're a small company, so we can offer things in terms of options and pricing that some of the bigger lofts just can't do, and in a turnaround time that the other lofts just can't do, because when you're dealing with that kind of scales of economy and number of clients, it slows down production, and you don't get the same attention to detail and the level of service, I feel, that you will when you're working directly with a smaller sail maker. So we're looking forward to sharing with you what makes this sail special, and how it's going to improve the performance of our boat. And yeah, this is super exciting. Like I said, frankly, we're probably just not worthy, but that's probably not true. I'm working in the arena of sail design now for a couple years, and I've been working with one of the top sail designers slash retailers in the world as well. And this is an exciting step to sort of take our passion in sailing and in service to a whole other level, where I have the control now in the inspecting the designs, right? In developing with my clients every detail, every minute option that you will want to consider based on your needs, the type of boat you're sailing, the type of sailing you intend to do. So in this way, this gives me, it unlocks a whole other level of control in the input and design and the finished result of the sail that you're going to get from Blue Yonder Sails. So we're super excited about this. We're going to take you on deck and unroll and reveal this bad boy. It's going to be, I'm telling you, it's a beautiful sail. The quality is top notch. You're not going to get a better sail than this through any of the major brands that you're going to connect through for retail. And we're not interested in competing on volume like that. We're interested in servicing our local and regional market here in the Sea of Cortez in Pacific coastal Mexico, and getting you that level of service and that level of quality of product right here in Mexico. And man, this is super exciting. So without further ado, let's get up on deck and get this on the furler, bend it on, as we say. We're going to bend on this sail and show you what particular aspects went into the design of this sail, the options that we chose, why we did that, and you'll see just, there's nothing better than a crispy new sail, I tell you.
Join us for part 2 where we unveil our new sail and demonstrate it on the rig. Thank you for joining us.